What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one of our videos, and in this video we're going to be doing a tour of our garden. So right here is our sugar baby watermelon. We just did a tutorial on how to plant these, so check that out after this video. That's what they look like. And then over here we have a salt and pepper cucumber. That's what that looks like. And then we have a mystery plant, which could be a weed. We don't know yet. It kind of looks like a cucumber, but it has like a lot of like thorns up it. So we don't know if it's a cucumber or a weed. So we're just leaving it there and seeing what happens. And then over here we have our sweet gold tomatoes. We planted a few of these along the edge. Here's a sunflower that we replanted, so we're seeing how that goes. And then here's some more sugar baby watermelon. And then there's two new ones, which are called Sweet Gem. And they're seedless watermelons, these ones are. And then we have, the sunflowers are everywhere. There's one right there, and then one right here. And then, right here we have a beefsteak tomato. And then we have a zucchini right here and here. So then our tomatoes, the rest of our tomatoes, and here's our compost also. That's what it looks like. And then our tomatoes are right here. We did cattle panels on them, so they could grow up like this, up along the fence. And then the third one right here, it started growing a tomato, which is pretty cool. It's not too big yet, but it's a start. And then there's a tomato on this one and this one. So it looks like the tomatoes are doing pretty good right now. We're just waiting for them to get bigger and red to eat, or to pick and eat. And then over here we have our coffee flowers. Here's what they look like. And that's interesting because right here, the inside looks like that. And then on one over here, it like is yellow, and then it's like it feels like it's different for every coffee. And then over here is our lettuce. It's growing back in these two. This one is just really big, that we've been using, or that we haven't picked yet. And then here's one that we don't know what happened, but it kind of looks like brown. And so we're just letting that seed so we can plant more in the fall. And then right here is our sweet peas. Here's what they look like. And then they're all growing up and down here. And then we have some more flowers over here. And then right here is our strawberry bed. The strawberries have done pretty good. They don't stay long, only by like 2 to 3 months probably. So we have them up here, and later and here's some peppers too, jalapeno peppers. And then in the fall too, we're gonna take all of this out and put some more dirt in it and plant some new strawberry seeds so they'll grow more. Because this summer we've just had this big spot where there's not really any strawberries except here and one dish. So then over here we have our cabbage, which is doing really good. It's really big. What we pick is the inside right here, and they're not ready yet, but they're just going to be a ton of leaves on the outside, and then the leaves on the inside, that's your cabbage, what you're going to pick. And then our Brussels sprouts right here, that's what they look like. It's kind of hard to tell, but how you know is right in the middle, there's these little sprouts. So those are where the Brussels sprouts are going to be. Then over here is our broccoli and broccolini. And we have a sprout right here. And we have a sprout right there. So that's what it looks like when it's sprouting. And then here's a bigger one, which we'll be ready to pick very soon. And then our cauliflower is over here too. And there was a head somewhere that's sprouting. Oh, it's right there. So that's pretty cool. So that we'll be able to pick in a few weeks, or two. And then right here we have our bell peppers. So these are sweet pepper. orange, and then we have our Barron red beauty sweet peppers, and then these are green beans, all up here, and then there's cucumber right there, and then yeah, so then we have our herbs over here, so yeah, that is how our garden's been going, and we will have an update on it later.